What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add CSS animations, so how to add animation effects to your elements and widgets using Elementor WordPress page builder plugin. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress dashboard, review your browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP admin, and enter with login credentials. You're going to be able to see a page almost like this one. I'm going to start this tutorial assuming that you already have your pages made using Elementor Page Builder website plugin. There is no need to have Elementor Pro, so you can keep everything for free in the case that you want. So basically, I would like to add animations while loading these two parts right here of my homepage. How to do this? Review your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, review the option called Search Plugins and type Animation GL. Animations for WordPress, Elementor and Gutenberg blocks animations. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the page where the plugin asks to track you. You can skip this part or allow, up to you. It will not affect the usage of the plugin, and you're going to be redirected to the Animation GL Get Started. We have a couple of video tutorials, enhance presets, so you can understand how each animation works. Nice, right? And you can even replay in the case that you want. All up to you. We have animation editor. In the case that you want, there is into the right side of your screen an editor for animation. You have some add-ons and the support. But now, to apply animation to our page, all we have to do is edit your page with Elementor. Then select the element that I would like to apply the animation on, the widget. So in my case, it's going to be this welcome text. I'm going to click on it. Then review the editing. We have content, style, and advanced. Click on advanced. Scroll down just a little bit, and you're going to be able to find next to motion effects, the animate GL. And right here, we have enhance animation. And you can, for example, wipe just like this. And for this one right here, you can do the same process. The same with this one. Now, let me publish the page. And let's review the results we got into the live website. And here is the results we got. And you can repeat the process with every single widget on Elementor into a simple, fast, effective, and free method. So no need to purchase to get animations. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.